Good day, my dear grade 7 students. Welcome to our mathematics lesson for today. And I am your teacher, Larry N. Hiner. May I request everyone to please stand and feel the presence of the Lord. Let us pray.
When I look into those bright eyes, so young and always so ready to run, then I see a change when fun subsides and new colors start to arise. There's a hidden picture that wasn't seen outside. When you run, don't tire. Keep on reaching higher, even when the pain and trouble bring you down. Sometimes I will see you through. I'm forever right here with you. Even when you feel you don't need me around, I will be your friend forever. I will be your one big brother. Even when I see you fall, I will be your father. When I hear you call, don't cry. This is not the end nor goodbye, but begin to know I'm with you till the end. And when you pray, I will hear every word you say. Answer with all my promises made. For one like you, someone who's been specially made. When you run, don't tire. Keep on reaching higher, even if the pain and trouble bring you down. Sometimes I will see you through. I'm forever right here with you. Even if you feel you don't need me around, I will be your friend forever. I will be your one big brother. Even when I see you fall, I will be your father. Yeah. I will be your friend forever. I will be your big brother. Even when I see you fall, I will be your father. Be your friend, your brother. When I hear you call, lift you when you fall. When I hear you call.
You may now take your seat and please be ready of your pen, paper, and calculator. And it's review time. So last meeting, we discussed about the bar graph. So what is a bar graph? How does it look like? Okay, so this is our example of a bar graph. And we also discussed about a pie chart or a pie graph. So what is an example of a pie chart or a pie graph? So how does it look like? Okay, what about a line graph? So this is an example of a line graph. So the pie chart or pie graph, the bar graph, and the line graph, we use this to represent organized data. Before we proceed to our new lesson, I will give you first our objective. So our objective, we are going to illustrate the measure of central tendency, the mean, the median, and the mode of the statistical data. So the measures of central tendency. So when you say measures of central tendency, that is a single number to serve as a representative value around which all the numbers in the set tend to cluster. Sometimes it is referred to as a middle number of the data. So there are three types of measures of central tendency: the mean or the average, the median or the middle, and the mode or the most. The measures of central tendency, the first one is the mean. Okay, when you say mean, okay, the mean or the arithmetic mean or average of a set of data is found by adding up all the items and then dividing by the sum of the number of items. Okay, the mean of a sample is denoted by, okay, that one, the x with a bar sign, or read as x bar. So the mean of a complete population is denoted by, okay, the mu or the Greek lowercase Greek letter mu. So the mean of n data items, or x sub 1, x sub 2, up to x sub n, is given by the formula. So your x bar is equal to, or the mean is equal to, your x sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub n all over n. Or your x bar or your mean is equal to the summation of x divided by the n. So the measures of central tendency. Example: 10 students were polled as to the number of siblings in their individual families. So the raw data is the following set: 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 6, 3, 3, 4, and 2. So find the mean number of siblings for the 10 students. So we are going to use the formula. The mean is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus up to the x sub n all over n. Or your mean is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 all over 10. So that is 10 students. So your mean is equal to 29 all over 10, or 29 over 10. So we are going to simplify 29 over 10, that is equal to 2.9. So our mean is equal to 2.9. So there are 2.9 siblings. So the weighted mean, okay, when you say the weighted mean, that is n numbers, or x sub 1, x sub 2, up to x sub n, that are weighted by the respective factors, or f1, f2, up to fn, is given by the formula. So the weighted mean is equal to the summation of your x multiplied by the f, or the factors, all over the summation of your f. The weighted mean listed below are the grades of a student's semester courses. So calculate the grade point average, or the GPA. So the course, the math, the history, the health, and the art. So the grade A, B, A, C. So the points or X is 4, 3, 4, and 2. So the credits or the F or the factors are 5, 3, 2, and 2. So we are going to find the X multiplied by the F. So we are going to multiply X and F. So 4 times 5, that is equal to 20. Then 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. Then 4 times 2, that is equal to 8. And 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, correct. So we are going to find the weighted mean. So the summation of your X multiplied by F all over the summation of your F. Okay, substitute. So your weighted mean, that is equal to 4 times 5 plus 3 times 3 plus 4 times 2 plus 2 times 2 all over 5 plus 3 plus 2 and 2. Okay, correct. So our weighted mean, that is equal to 20 plus 9 plus 8 plus 4 divided by 12. So where did we get 12? Okay, that is 5 plus 3 plus 2 and plus 2. Okay, correct. So our weighted mean, that is equal to 41. So where did we get 41? That is 20 plus 9 plus 8 plus 4 all over 12. So simplify. So your weighted mean is equal to 3.42. You are only going to divide 41 and 12. So 41 divided by 12, that is equal to 3.42. Okay, very good. So your GPA or your grade point average is equal to 3.42. Correct. And when you say median, so how do we find median, or what is median? So that is another measure of central tendency. So this measure divides a group of numbers into two parts, with half the numbers below the median and half above it. So the median is not as sensitive to extreme values as the mean. So to find the median of a group of items, first we are going to find the rank of the items, or the ranked items. Second, if the number of items is odd, the median is the middle item in the list. And number 3, if the number of items is even, the median is the mean of the two middle numbers. Okay, example. 10 students in a math class were polled as to the number of siblings in their individual families, and the results were 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 6, 3, 3, 4, and 2. So we are going to find the mean number of siblings for the 10 students. So the position of the median, that is equal to 10 over 2, or that is equal to 5. So between the 5th and the 6th values. So data in order. We are going first to arrange the data. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, and 6. So our median is 2 and 3. So between 2 and 3. So our median, that is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 divided by 2. So that is equal to 2.5. So our median is 2.5, or 2.5 siblings. Okay, in our example, 9 students in a math class were polled as to the number of siblings in their individual families, and the results were 3, 2, 2, 1, 6, 3, 3, 4, and 2. So we are going to find the number or median number of siblings for 9 students. So the position of median, so that is 9 over 2, or 4.5. So 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. So the 5th value. So we're going to arrange the data in order. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, and 6. So our middle is 3. So the median is equal to 3, or 3 siblings. For median in a frequency distribution. Okay, example, find the median for the distribution. So the value of our x and the frequency. So the number of our x, or the value of x, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the frequency, 1, 4, 2, 3. The 3 is 2, 4 is 6, and the 5 is 8. So position of the median is the sum of the frequencies divided by 2. So the position of the median, so that is the summation of your f all over 2. So that is equal to 23. So where did we get 23? Okay, correct. We add 8, 6, 3, 2, and 4. And that is equal to 23 divided by 2. So 23 divided by 2, that is equal to 11.5. Okay, correct. So the 12th term. So add the frequencies from either side until the sum is 12. So the 12th term is the median and its value is 4. Okay, when we say mode, so the mode of a set of data or data set is the value that occurs the most often. So the distribution has two modes that is called. In large distribution, this term is commonly applied even when the two modes do not have exactly the same frequency. For example, 10 students in a math class were polled as to the number of siblings in their individual families, and the results were 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 6, 3, 3, 4, and 2. So find the mode of the number of siblings. So our data, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 6, 3, 3, 4, and 2. So 3, 3, and 3, and 3. So that is our mode. The mode for the number of siblings is 3. Why is it 3? So that is the most appearing numbers. Okay, mode in a frequency distribution. For example, okay, find the mode for the distribution. The value of x, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the frequency or the f is 4, 3, 2, 6, and 8. So what is the mode? So the mode in the frequency distribution is the value that has the largest frequency. So look at the table. So what is the largest frequency? Okay, correct. That is the value of your x, which is 8. So the mode for the frequency distribution is 5 as it occurs 8 times. So the symmetry in data sets. The analysis of a data set often depends on whether the distribution is symmetric or non-symmetric. Okay, when you say symmetric or non-symmetric, that is a symmetric distribution. The pattern of frequencies from a central point is the same or nearly so from the left and right. Okay, look at the example. So in letter A, that is uniform distribution. Letter B, that is binomial distribution. And your letter C is bimodal distribution. The non-symmetric distribution, the patterns from a central point from the left and right are different. Okay, in letter A, that is skewed to the left. Letter B, skewed to the right. And letter C is bimodal distribution. So the skewed to the left, a tail extends out to the left. And the skewed to the right, the tail or a tail extends out to the right. So what is a mean? What is median? What is mode? Or what is the difference between mean, median, and mode? How are we going to find mean? What about the median? And what about the mode? If we're going to find the mean, okay, we're only going to add all numbers and then we're going to divide it by the number of numbers or data. Okay, what about median? So we are going to arrange first the number in order And we're going to find the middle number. If it is odd, we're going to find the middle number. If it is even, we're going to add the two middle numbers and then divide it by 2. And what about the mode? So just simply look for the most appearing numbers. Okay, very good. Okay, find the mean, median, and the mode of the following data. Okay, write your answers on your paper and then pass it to me. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.